What's up, guys? Your boy Chris back at it with another video. Today we're doing our 1-year update on the headlights. Like you guys know, last year I picked up this truck, and one of the first projects we did was to revitalize these headlights. They were faded, they were oxidated, they weren't as bright as they used to be. And you saw how the headlights came out. Meguiar said that their kit would keep the headlights clean for about 12 months. So let's go ahead and see how everything came out after 12 months. As you can see, it's back to its oxidated state. It's not as oxidated as it was before we did the kit, but you can see that it's not as clear as it used to be. It's a little hazy, it's a little yellow. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other light. This light is a little more worse off. You can see it's still hazy. It's not as clear as it was when we put the kit on. When we put the kit on, the chrome inside, the reflective stuff almost matched that over there on that side. So guys, you can see how it came out after a year, after 12 months of doing that. The kit was only 20 bucks. It's something that you can make your headlights look new for, you know, I'd say 6 to 8 months. I wouldn't go the whole year, but do remember, do know that this truck is parked in the sun 365, you know, the whole year. It's parked outside. It goes through the elements. I drive through rain, drive through snow. We have salted roads in the winter, so it does get abused. So if you have a car that stays in the garage, your lights are a little oxidized, you know, I think the kit might last you a year, maybe a little bit more. You might have different results. And again, I took a lot of heat from that first video of not prepping everything good. I used brake cleaner to wipe down the lights. But if you're gonna do it the proper way. Use Windex and tape everything off. Use that brown paper. When you're spraying the sealant, you might get a little bit of overspray. On this white car, you couldn't see it as much, or a different color car, you might see a little bit more. But if I were you guys, do your prep. You know, like they say, measure twice, cut once. Do all your prep. Your results would come out a lot better. Maybe if I would have prepped a little bit more or scrubbed a little bit harder, my results would have been different. But you can see what this product can do. For a couple of bucks, you can make your lights look like new. Well guys, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button, and see you guys in the next one.